ourselves in the presence of the Holy God, and of the Father, the Son, and the Spirit. Amen. Almighty God, we gather in your presence, seeking your guidance and wisdom as we embark on these new projects in 2025. We come to you with humble hearts, seeking your guidance and wisdom. Grant us clarity of vision and purpose, that we may align our goals with your divine plan. May our preparation and planning be infused with your spirit of excellence and integrity. Give us discernment and wisdom in our decision making, that we may choose the best path forward. Bless our teams in collaboration with unity, effective communication, and a shared commitment to excellence. As we navigate the complexities of pre-bid conference, we ask for your protection and favor. May our endeavors be fruitful and successful, bringing benefit not only to our organization, but also to the communities we serve. We trust in your goodness and provision. This we ask in the mighty name of our holy God. Amen.
Okay, for attendance, Secretariat Protocol.
Once again, good morning to each and everyone. Before we go to our private conference, I call the attendees of this activities private conference. For the top members, we have our back chairperson, Engineer Wilfred R. Bisaya. Our back vice chairperson, Engineer Yodigario M. Maso. Back regular member, Engineer Manuel Sinario. Back regular member, Edwin Tina Corda, Ma'am Jovelinda Elanto, Engineer Elmelin Sipulancos, Engineer Rodel A. Ridao. For the back secretariat, yours truly, Engineer Delma Espresso, Engineer Alec Madeline C. Abogado, Miss Edna Corato, Miss Gloria Elduga, Miss Eliza Inakli. And for the back TWG Heat, Engineer Wendy Imgalgiano, Engineer Marilyn D. Piundag, Engineer Greta B. Alperis, Engineer Unity A. Lucinio. For our representative, for the private, to represent today is Engineer Robert Handayan, Engineer A.V. Castillo, and Engineer Christian Angel Espresso. For our observers, we acknowledge our observers today. Marson Jan is Dolindo, OIC sa DTI, then Rionel R. Aninyon, San Francisco DTI. Thank you, and that's all.
Okay, since the back members and quorum will proceed for the private conference, we have 3 projects. Product ID number 25NC0032, construction improvement of access roads, building to trees, industries and economic zones, oblique side 45, San Andres Barangay Road in support to Rubber IC Bunaman Negosyo del Sur, with a budget of contract 9,800,000 pesos only. The duration is 94 calendar days. Project number 2 is contract ID number 25NC0033, rehabilitation, reconstruction, and building of damaged speed roads along Energy Bay Bus Base Link. Station 1373 plus 575, 1379 plus 00, 1379 plus 095 to 1379 plus 085, 1382 plus 181 to 1382 plus 254, elevator 1383 plus 1,000 to kilometer 1384 plus 25, 1385 plus 445 to kilometer 1385 plus 500, and 1390 plus 223 to 1390 plus 344, 22 Agusan del Sur. The approved budget contract of 39,200,000 pesos only. Contract duration is 215 calendar days. Last project is contract ID number 24 in C0034, suction plug control structure along Andayan Riverbank, downstream Barangay Hubang, Sunrise Cabo, San Sur, with a full budget of contract of 46,530,000 pesos only. Contract duration is 210 calendar days. That is for the presentation for today. Okay, you may start with the contract ID number 25 in C0032 for Mr. Andayan.
Good morning, everyone. The first project is the construction, improvement of access roads leading to trades, industries, and economic zones of Group Site 45, San Andres, Barangay Road, in support to Rubber IC, Unawan, Agusan del Sur, with a project limit of 0 plus 644 to 0 plus 845.5, with a total length of 204.5 meters. Location of project, Unawan, Agusan del Sur. So it has an appropriation of 10 million pesos, ABC of 9.8 million, with a total calendar days of 94. Classification roads, source of fund, NEP, FY 2025. So this is the listing of the NEP FY 2025. So this is the location of the project, and Juta photos. This is the plan and profile. So for the typical section, we have a total width of the carriageway equivalent to 6.7 with 2 meters shoulder and a grouted riprap at both sides. Grouted riprap canal at both sides. So the thickness for our PCCP is 280 millimeters thick, and for the shouldering is 150 millimeters thick. These are the cross sections. So for the program of works, for facilities for the engineer, we have provision of field office for the engineer, rental basis, 2.5 months. Provision of furnitures, fixtures, equipment, and appliances for the field office for the engineer, 1 lump sum. Under this item is the laptop computer for administrative use, 1 unit for the maintenance section. For other general requirements, we have construction survey and staking, 0.18 kilometers. Miscellaneous survey and staking, 1 lump sum. Project billboard, signboard for each. Occupational safety and health program, 1 lump sum. Traffic management and mobilization, demobilization, 1 lump sum each. For the clearing and grabbing, 0.47 hectares. Surplus common excavation, 16,825.49 cubic meters. Embankment from roadway / structure excavation, 35.44 cubic meters. Subgrade preparation, 2,299.19 square meters. For sub-base and base course, aggregate sub-base course, 409 cubic meters. And for the surface course, we have Portland cement concrete pavement unreinforced, 0.15 meters thick, 409 square meters. Portland cement concrete pavement unreinforced, 0.28 meters thick, 1,483.88 square meters. For drainage and slow protection structures, grouted riprap class A, 86.91 cubic meters. Miscellaneous structures, hazard markers, 450 by 600 millimeters, Chevron signs 6 each. Reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings white 51.25 square meters, and for the yellow is 4.5 square meters. So for the quarry sources for our item 200 will be taken at Salvacion, Bayan River, Cuiba Stream to Agusan del Sur with a hauling distance of 31 kilometers. For the sand will be at Agusan River, Patrocinio sa Tausipa, Agusan del Sur with a hauling distance of 33 kilometers. And for our gravel and boulders will be at San Ignacio, Santa Maria to Agusan del Sur with a hauling distance of 37 kilometers. For the minimum equipment requirement, we have dump truck 2 units, concrete vibrator 2 units, transit mixer 2 units, vibratory roller 1, cargo truck 1, set aggregator machine 1, bulldozer 1, water truck 1, concrete saw, concrete spreader, concrete mixer, payloader, road grader, backhoe, nailing machine, bar bender, bar cutter, total station, plate sealer machine, 1 unit each. And that's all for this project.
Okay. Okay, any question for the presentation? Comments? Say yes, sir.
Technical mechanics one, so mechanic we just want to observe the process. So what time lang sir, sa project sir, this is the third or fourth phase sa entire network yung road project.
Kapilan na din na rin.
Kailan naman?
Pat na?
Since 2020.
So basically almost like 200
Ano sir, kasi may pumunta na sir. Wala.
Huwag na yung bubu ang na-release katong nag-Oxford ang itaon. Yung pinakabubu nga.
2.5 mga ano.
budget for that year kato lang po.
Itong previous years. Mga itong ako mag-cost ng Guangzhou na October. Ito niya, hindi may taga magkabila na.
Mga pila ganyan yung tapuan sir, kilometer ang entire road project.
Ang kinasal kang human yun.
Oo.
Nasa MRDP, nasa mga 4.5 na
4.5
kilometers.
So with this, dapat sa mga 20 no? 8 kilometers mo.
Pero gamay na, depende sa release.
Depende na isa. Kami pa up na na. Ito na kuhan ba?
Releases dito na sa 600 sa ganun.
Napag stationing? Pakita ang stationing.
840.
Para makita mo.
840.
Stationing. Nasa ba? Ang length niya, kuhan lang 204.5 meters lang.
40 na yun. Yabot.
Minus na mo. Nara sa 800 kapin.
800.
Kawa pa na kilometro ang nahuman.
Lagi.
O mapin na.
So 800 plus 200.
Wala na.
Alis mo na siya.
Wala end ka ng 848.
Yeah. So,
Complete nga projects.
mo na gan sige. Okay. Totoo gid.
Pero dako yung release, na may ubang nga kana sa mga dili sa BTN ninyo na. May ubang sa kuha, kana sa mga bypass of tourism. Red Cook naman.
Lagi ang budget mo for this year nasa mga 5 to 6 billion naman siguro. Niya bayin nun all regions.
Sa regions.
Oo.
Importante ba na siyang kuha? Sa BTI, kay Robin. Para ito market yung sa mga products. Di ba? Kasi magkakuha mo ba nga pakuran ba? Kaya ako natanong mo, sa Mindanao, lumay mga butal rin.
Ang among ginabuhat sa ginagusto ginato ni every year sa congressman nato, mga congressman na dito sa Congress with ang one negotiation on which project will be funded every year. Mga ginamo kaya sa even the LRDC gina-endorse man nila tanan na ito gina-endorse.
Oo, tanan.
Oo.
Yan, di sige nito ng project.
Pag-abot na mga sa central office as far as I know, pag-abot sa central office dito ng prioritization on which project will be funded for the year, how much. Sir, go tayo na lang ako last question. This project would be the first to be this year.
Nakabili na ni.
Ano na tayo na pa?
Oh, nakabili na mi guwan, daghan na nabili na.
Mga 7 man to ang na-approve for the year.
About DTI, isa may namatay na one.
Last na ni.
Last na ni.
Alas na ni.
Okay.
Mostly, sir, are under early procurement. So,
Last year pa.
very
Last year.
na really.
28 nakabawa.
Pero na may rate ka naman kami sa inyo desisyon
Oo.
sa magkuhan ni.
Lagi, karon nakalugar mo bibi mo tayo yung mga manhigid ni para maka-observe.
Ano rin sir?
Ha?
Okay na.
Oo, okay lang sir, okay lang sir. Kalau mga technical, ikay niya. Ay, mga engineer sa mga sa inyo ba?
Hindi sir.
Tana na ko. Sige, magparahin sa lang yung project sir.
Yeah, we can
Pwede
excuse
mo.
ourselves.
Pwede mo. Thank you sir.
Thank you.
Attending.
Thank you so
Yung
much.
snack, pwede yung snack. Yung snack.
Di, okay lang, okay lang. Thank you.
Okay sir, thank you for attending ha. Okay, yung proceed with the second project, contract ID number 25NC00333. For the presenter, Ms. Johnny P. Apaw.
Good morning, everyone. For the next project, rehabilitation, reconstruction, upgrading of damaged paved roads along NRJ Cuevas Biscuit Road with station K 1378 plus 575 to 1379 plus 00, 1379 plus 095 to 1379 plus 895, 1382 plus 181 to 1382 plus 254, 1383 plus 1000 to 1384 to 05, 1385 plus 445 to 1385 plus 500, 1390 plus 223 to 1390 plus 344. By the way, the project is listed in GAA 2025 but under the PWS initiative, so waiting for the release of the SA. Type 4, reconstruction of concrete pavement with a total or net length of 1.696 kilometers or 3.392 lane km as per PAO and as per reflected in GAA 2025 details. Located at Trento Agusan del Sur with an appropriation of 40 million, an ABC of 39.2 million, calendar days to complete 215, classification, reconstruction of concrete road, source of fund GAA 2025. For project description, this project involves reconstruction of concrete pavement at stations specified or flash in the screen with a target length of 169 meters or 3.392 lane km. Carriageway with inner lanes, lane 2 and lane 3 of 6.7 and 6.1 meters, thickness of 0.28 or 280 mm and 230 mm. Then we have provision of CTB with 0.2 mm, 0.2 meters or 200 mm thickness in order to improve the subgrade of the road. Removal of the existing PCCP bad section with a carriageway width of 6.1 and 6.7 meters respectively. So this is the Jota photos of the before stage. So this is the location map of our project. Then for the plans, for the typical, so we have 44 lanes, which the total length is 13.4. So we have the inner lanes, the lane 2 and lane 4, the 6.7 width of lane 2 and lane 3. Then we have also typical for 4 lanes, which the inner lanes of lane 2 and lane 3 is 6.1. So 3.05 each lane for lane 2 and lane 3. So we already have. Then we have typical also for 2 lanes. We have 2 lanes with the carriageway width of 6.7 meters total width, or the 3.35 lane 1 and lane 2. Yes, Chief. Na ay 6 ay 4 lanes na ay 4. So di madala. So we replace 6.1. For the program of works, we have part A, facilities for the engineer. We have construction of field office for the engineer, the 5x5 or 25 square meters, one lump sum. A.1.1.11, provision of furniture, features, equipment, and appliances for the field office for the engineer. We have the UPS for desktop computer, specialized software. We have one unit for planning, one lump sum. Part B, we have other general requirements. B.4, construction survey and staking, 1.7 kilometers. B.410, miscellaneous survey and staking, one lump sum. B.5, project billboard or signboard, 4 each. B.72, occupational safety and health program, one lump sum. B.82, traffic management, one lump sum. B.9, mobilization, demobilization, one lump sum. So we have part C, for the earthwork, we have 1013 A6, removal of actual structures, obstructions, point 3, thickness PCCP reinforced sa Kwani siya banda sa may approach lab A sa Bitaogan Bridge. We have 40 square meters. We have also removal of actual structures, obstructions of point 23 M thickness and reinforced. We have 5,002 square meters. We have also removal of actual structure obstructions of 0.28 meters thick and reinforced. We have 5,835.7 square meters. So we have 1022 surplus common excavation. We have 2,313.72 cubic meters. We have 1051 sub-grade preparation common material. We have 11,240.7 square meters. So we have also part D, sub-base and base course for our CTV of 0.2 meters or 200 mm thickness. We have 2,273.21 cubic meters. The excavated item for 200 shall be placed on the low elevation shoulder. So katong i-remove na to.
Di ma-include kung may nabangag sa Juan, Santa Maria.
Wala kay RB dito man to no. Lahi na siya. Wala na siya na chief sa outside station din. Kinala mo ta din man.
Hindi na ba? Ano ba na may hindi?
Oh, pero before pa man to Santa Maria Beach. Pero depende na siguro. Wala kaya na mo na apple chief, di ba na i-sleep? Nahulog. Di naman kaya sa kwarta kay RCMP din na itong gamit. So we have part E, surface course. We have 311 or the PCCP reinforced of 0.28 thickness. We have 10,963.04 square meters. We have also the PCCP reinforced for our approach slab sa Bitaogan. We have 40 square meters. For miscellaneous structures,
Libo ko, makaabot din. Abot mo Bitaogan.
last part naman ng Bitaogan Street, naka-specified ang stationing.
85 naman tong 83 naman Santa Maria.
Naka-specified sa stationing na chief. Part man tong pagputol-putol sa station limits. Portion. O naka-kuan lang siya, more intermittent, something yan. Wala. Lahat ito ma-section sa kuan. Wala yung nalahit, 3090. So, for our part H, miscellaneous structures, we have reflector and thermoplastic pavement markings white, 520.10. And we have also yellow for the 2 lanes katong iyang curve. We have 109.85 square meters. For the minimum equipment requirements, we have dump truck 2, payloader, backhoe with breaker, road grader motorized, vibratory roller, water truck, total station 1 each. For transit mixer 2, concrete vibrator 2, concrete spreader, concrete saw, bar cutter, bulldozer, cargo truck, set applicator machine, kneading machine, water pump, joint sealer machine, we have 1 each. For the quarry sources, so ang 201 will be taken at Salvacion Bahayan River, Trento Agusan del Sur with the hauling distance of 8 kilometers. Then ang sand and gravel will be taken at San Ignacio Simolo River, Trento Agusan del Sur with a hauling distance of 7 kilometers. Also, the sand must be screened and washed, then gravel is crushed. That's all for contract ID. 25 NCs and 34. 33.
question to the presentation? None. We will proceed for the last. Regarding number 25 inches 0030.
Sa mo ting happy birthday.
Good morning, everyone. The last project I will be presenting today is the construction of flood control structure along Atlayan Riverbank downstream, Barangay Humbang, San Francisco, Agusan del Sur, with project limits stationing from station 0 plus 0020 plus 243.04 with a total net length of 243.04 linear meters. Location is at San Francisco, Agusan del Sur with an appropriation of 47 million and an APC of 46,530,000 pesos. Calendar days to complete is 210 days. Classification is under flood control. And the source of fund is under GA FY 2025 under the category of CI or conditional implementation. This is the progress of the Atlayan Riverbank protection as of 2025, and this green part is the proposed project. The total, this is the progress report that I've already presented before.
Gusto gubog sa iyo mga tao dito sa atbang mo nga ito dire ato sa atbang gidagan balay ba proteksyonan
Aside ko sa chief.
pikas bank ba ting tao ana.
Kanang tiring aside
Oh,
sa downstream. Lilipod ni Kakon Chief kaya ang iyang title na Magoy Barangay Hubang.
ubang ko lang ni.
Nakit sa title ang Barangay Hubang, so dito kita sa Hubang na side. Tapos naka-downstream pa gid siya. Sa yung title mismo naka-specify ang downstream mo ang barangay.
Kinahanglan ko proteksyonan kato mga balay ta dito.
O, diri, mas okay yun siya sir diri sa Barangay Tres. Kaso, may choice kay sa title, naka-indicate ng gidaan. Pero, since continuing man ni siya nga project eh, mag every year, pwede siya na ang Atlayan. Possible next year, kasi na po yung marilisan na po ito. Pero kubang kaya ako.
Kasi continuing na, kasi sa regional office na. Nasa district.
Hindi na naman dugaan.
Depende sa ito. Pero VIP man po din naniwag mo rin nakasulod sa regular infra. Usually ang Atlayan ginasya sa kanang additional lang siya ligaw sa gas or mag-insertion. For the plan, location plan, this is the construction, this is the project, and we have an access road of 225 meters with width is 4 meters and thickness is 0.6. And the Jotag photos there at the beginning and the end. And our topographic map. For the typical reinforced concrete slope protection, we have concrete slope protection of 0.3 meter thick, and underneath is lean concrete of 0.5 mm thick. Our berm is 1.5 meter with concrete blocks of 0.5 by 0.6. Our structure is slope with sloping of 1:1 and vertical height of 3.5. Pile cup is 0.5 by 1 meter depth with structural steel sheet pile of U-type 9 meter in length. For the land side, we have grouted repurp slope protection of 0.3 mm thick and aggregate sub-base course of 200 mm thick, 2 meters of 2 meter width. For the reinforcing steel detail, we have 12 mm vertical bar space at 0.4 each way and 16 mm horizontal bar space at 0.4 on center. For the concrete block, we have 12 mm stirrup, space of 0.4, and two pieces of 12 mm reinforcing steel horizontal bars. For the pile cup, we have 12 mm stirrups of 0.4 each way, space at 0.4 each way, and 13 pieces of 16 mm reinforcing steel horizontal bars. Our steel sheet pile is 9 meters, type GSP type 2, with the specification indicated on the screen. Our land side is a grouted snow protection of 0.3 mm thick, and end protection grouted riprap also with 5.5 mm thick. With the programs of work, items involved are the following. For Part A, facilities for the engineer, we have A.1.13 or construction of field office for the engineer, 1 lump sum. A.1.111 are provisions of furnitures, fixtures, equipment, and appliances for the field office for the engineer. The facilities involved are desktop computer, 1 unit for maintenance, and 1 unit of smartphone geotagging device. For Part B or other general requirements, we have B.41, construction surveillance staking, 0.243 km, project billboard signboard for each, occupational safety and health program, 1 lump sum, traffic management, 1 lump sum, mobilization, demobilization, 1 lump sum. For Part LA, for the earthworks, we have clearing and grabbing with 3,050.54 square meter quantity. Individual removal trees, 19 each. Structure excavation, common soil, 1,641.84 cubic meters. Embankment from barrow, 978.97 cubic meters. Aggregate subbase scores, 104.99 cubic meters. For Part LB, or bank and snow protection works, we have reinforcing steel, grade 40, for pile top and concrete blocks only, with 8,413.42 kilograms. Structural concrete class A for pile top and concrete blocks also is 193.83 cubic meters. Clean concrete class B, 75.46 cubic meters. Grouted riprap class A, 227.10 cubic meters. Concrete slope protection, 502.10 cubic meters. Structural steel sheet piles furnished, 5,463 meters. And structural steel sheet piles driven, 5,280.9 meters. For the minimum equipment required, we have bulldozer 1, backhoe 1, payloader 1, dump truck 2, motorized road grader 1, vibratory roller, water truck 1, bagger mixer, concrete vibrator, plate compactor, generator set, truck mounted crane, vibro hammer, transit mixer, welding machine, and cargo or service truck 1 unit each. For the quarry sites, embankment and aggregate subbase scores will be taken from Lapinigan Creek, Barangay Ormaca, San Francisco, Agusan del Sur, with hauling distance from site of 14 kilometers. Sand will be from Agusan River, Barangay Patrocinio, Santa Josefa, Agusan del Sur, with 71 kilometer hauling distance from site. Gravel will be from Simula River, San Ignacio, Santa Maria, Trento, Agusan del Sur, with 76 kilometer distance from site. And the boulders will be taken from Maog River, Barangay New Maog, Prosperidad, with 20 kilometer hauling distance from site. And this is the quarry map. That will be all for the last project.
No, the cubic yard, don't lay cubic meter.
May nasa standard and
Standard.
simple one.
Mas gamay yun. Mas gamay yun, hanggang sa meter. Sige, kira. Okay, any question, comments? Wala? Okay, we proceed for the previous. Rick, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Kiss the iyo.
Ipagkalagala ko ng birthday.
Ikaw, Joe.
morning once again for the bidding documents. Invitation to bid. The Department of Public Works and Highways, Agusan del Sur, 2nd DEO, Carao, San Francisco, Agusan del Sur, through FY 2025 General Appropriations Act, GAA, intends to apply the sum of 95,530,000 pesos only, being the total approved budget for the contract or the ABC to payments under the following contract projects. For contract ID 25NC0032, contract name, construction improvement of access roads leading to trades, industries and economic zones of left side 45, San Andres Barangay Road in support to rubber IC located at Bunawan, Agusan del Sur with an ABC of 9.8 million. Scope of works, construction of concrete road. Calendar days to complete 109. Bid documents fee of 10,000. For contract ID 25NC0033, contract name, rehabilitation, reconstruction, upgrading of damaged paved roads along NRJ Cuevas Bislig Road, 1378 plus 575 to 1379 plus 00, 1379 plus 095 to 1379 plus 895, 1382 plus 181 to 1382 plus 254, 1383 plus 1000 to 1384 plus 205, 1385 plus 445 to 1385 plus 500, 1390 plus 223 to 1390 plus 344. Trento Agusan del Sur with an ABC of 39.2 millions. Scope of works, reconstruction of concrete pavement. Calendar days to complete 215. Bid documents fee of 25,000. For contract ID 25NC0034, with contract name, construction of flood control structure along Adlayan River Bank, downstream, Barangay Hubak, San Francisco, Agusan del Sur, with an ABC of 46,530,000. Scope of works, construction of flood mitigation structures. Calendar days to complete 210. Bid documents fee of 25,000. Bids received in excess of the ABC shall be automatically rejected at bid opening. Prospective bidders should be registered with and classified by the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board or the PCAB with PCAB license, size range of at least small b for contract ID number 25NZ0032 and medium A for contract IDs 25NZ033 and 25NZ0035. A complete set of bidding documents may be acquired by interested bidders from the address below or may be downloaded free of charge from the website of the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System or the PhilGIPS and the website of the procuring entity starting on February 19, 2025 and upon payment of the applicable fee for the bidding documents pursuant to the latest guidance issued by the GPPB. In the amount above stated, the procuring entity shall allow the bidder to present its proof of payment for the fees in person, by facsimile or through electronic means. The DPWH will hold a grievance conference today, February 27, 2025 at exactly 10 a.m. at the Procurement Conference Room, DPWH Agusan del Sur, 2nd DO, Carao, San Francisco, Agusan del Sur, and through Zoom meeting, ID flash on the screen. Bid submission may be done manually or electronically online. However, bidders should only select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. Similar to manual submission, the guidance for the preparation and submission of an electronic bid are contained in the BDS or the bid data sheet. Bids must be duly received by the box secretariat at the address below for manual submission or at electronic bids Agusan del Sur 2 at dpwh.gov.ph for electronic submission on or before March 12, 2025 at or before 1 p.m. Late bids shall not be accepted. All bids must be accompanied by a bid security in any of the acceptable forms and in the amount stated in the invitation to bid clause 15. Bid opening shall be on March 12, 2025, immediately after the deadline for the submission of bid at the Procurement Conference Room, DPWH Agusan del Sur, 2nd DO. For the bid detail sheet for contract ID 25NC0032, for this purpose, contracts similar to the project refer to contracts which have the same major categories of work. For the category of work code, RCP, work description, construction, PCCP. Subcontracting is not allowed. For contract ID 25NC0033, the major categories of works, category of work code, RRP, work description, roads, rehabilitation, PCCP. Subcontracting is not allowed. For contract ID 25NC0034, for the major categories of works, category of work code, FCSPS, work description, flood control, construction, slope protection using structural measures. Again, subcontracting is not allowed. For the pickup license for 25NC0032, size range is small b, license category C and D, largest single project 4.9 million or 50% of the ABC, allowable range of contract cost up to 30 million. For the K personnel, must meet the required minimum years of general and relevant experience. For PM, PE, ME, foreman, construction safety and health officer, it must be 2 years. For contract ID 25NC0033, the required pickup license, size range, medium A, license category B, largest single project, 19.6 million or 50% of the ABC, allowable range of contract cost up to 30 million. For the K personnel, the general and relevant experience. For PM, PE, ME, foreman, and construction safety and health officer must be 3 years. For contract ID 25NC0034, the required pickup license, size range, medium A, license category B, largest single project, 23,265,000 or 50% of the ABC, allowable range of contract cost up to 30 million. For the K personnel, the relevant and general experience must be 5 years. For PM, PE, ME, foreman, and construction safety and health officer. For contract ID 25NC0032, the bid security shall be in the form of a bidding security declaration or any of the following forms and amounts. A, the amount of not less than 196,000 or 2% of the ABC if bid security is in cash or in check. B, the amount of not less than 490,000 or 5% of the ABC if bid security is in surety bond. For contract ID 25NC0033, the bid security, the amount of not less than 784,000 or 2% of the ABC if bid security is in cash or in check. B, the amount of not less than 1,960,000 or 5% of the ABC if bid security is in surety bond. For contract ID 25NC0034, the bid security shall be in the form of a bidding security declaration or any of the following forms and amounts. A, the amount of not less than 930,600 pesos or 2% of the ABC if bid security is in cash or in check. B, the amount of not less than 2,326,000 or 5% of the ABC if bid security is in surety bond. For further information, you may refer to our BOC chairperson, Wilfred R. Visaya, and our BOC secretariat head, Engineer Delma S. Espeso. That's all for contract ID 32 to 34.